All right, guys. I want to talk about Algo here. Now, Algo BTC is what I'm looking at. On the left-hand side is Litecoin, and this is the fractal that I want to show you. Now, when we were down in here, right down in here, I made a video in the long-term accumulation or the watch list. I forget now where I posted it in one of those two channels, and I said Litecoin is going to move into a bull market, and everybody thought I was crazy, and nobody believed me. This was before the bull market started, and there was reasons for that. Now, those exact same reasons apply right here to Algo BTC. This will move into a bull market in the relatively near future. This is for accumulation here right now. This will do something very similar to Litecoin. Can there be one last dip or whatever? It's possible. We need to see, but accumulating down in here, it looks like you won't regret it for that coming move, and we'll move up and we'll take out this level right here. So probably a target of I was going to say $1. What is that? 1,000 satoshis, whatever that is. Um, there's a very probable target of somewhere up in that area, and this is the BTC pair that can do this. Now, if the BTC pair is going to do this, then the USD pair is going to run also. So keep that in mind. But this is forming very bullish structure here on Algo. Now, if I move over to another part of my screen here, you can see here the weekly chart here as well. It's looking primed. It's looking very good, and it's looking like it's going to try and bottom out. Don't know about that, but we're probably going to move up into that and then break up out of it. Whatever way that's going to happen. You can just see the volume pickup here as well. It's pretty decent volume. This volume right here on the weekly causing this bit of a selling pressure coming off it here. So if the BTC pair is moving into a bull market, well, then it looks like this is going to keep going. Definitely one to watch on a new quarter if we flip green.